Hi children, how are you? Hope all you are fine at home. Guess who am I? Yes, I am Aditi Miss. I have taught you about domestic animals. Today I will teach you about wild animals. Are you ready children? First you listen the noise of wild animals. Many animals live in forests. These are called wild animals. They are of different kinds, different shapes and different sizes. We can divide them as big animals and small animals. Some animals are very big in size. There are many wild animals in the forest such as lion, tiger, elephant, zebra, giraffe, monkeys, hippopotamus and many more. Look, who is this animal? Yes, this is a lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. He has 4 sharp claws and a short tail. The lion has yellow-brown hair which is called mane. A female lion is called lioness. It is easy to spot a lioness because she doesn't has a mane. Which animal is this? Yes, correct. This is a lion, the king of the jungle. Now, listen how he is roaring. You have listened, he was roaring, and you have spotted the female lion. She has no mane. All are sitting in group. This is deer, the favorite food of lion. Now listen. What is spelling of deer? D-E-E-R. You can see 2 horns of deer. He runs very fast. Hey, which animal is this? Yes, this is a tiger. The tiger belongs to the cat families. That is why they look like a big cat. It also has sharp claws and a big tail. The color of the tiger is yellowish orange with black stripes. They prey their animals for food. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a tiger. You can see yellow color and black stripes. It's sharp claws. Now listen. The sound of tiger is called roar. You can see he can climb tree also. Female animal is called tigress. He can live in snow. Listen, kangaroo is calling. He has strong back legs so he can jump and run very fast. They have pouch to carry their baby. Now listen. Bear calling. He can swim in water, cold water also. Bear loves fish. It catches fish from water. She is with her baby. Now see, it is hippopotamus. It can live in water also. They can swim very well. She is with her baby. In group, hippopotamus. Who is this? This is an elephant. You can see elephant, he has long tusks, 2 long teeth. This is an elephant, and elephant is the biggest animal. It has a huge body and a big trunk. It has 2 big teeth and ears. An elephant loves to eat leaves and fruits, especially banana. Sound of elephant is called trumpet. Elephant has long trunk. He uses it as their hand. They always live in group. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a wolf. What is spelling of wolf? W-O-L-F. They can live in snow. They can live in jungle, or they always live in a group. Now which animal is this? Yes, this is a zebra. The color of the zebra is white with black stripes. The zebra eats grass and leaves. Which animal? Zebra. Spelling Z-E-B-R-A. Black and white stripe. Look, they are fighting. Which animal? Cheetah. Cheetah was roaring. See how he is running. Cheetah is the fastest running animal. Look, sitting with her babies. Which animal? This is rhinoceros. Listen, he is running. You can see rhinoceros has a horn on his nose and this is very strong. They can fight with this, made of hair. Which animal is this? Yes, it is gorilla. Gorilla is something look alike human. They are sitting in a group. They live in trees. These are hyena, Hyena. Hyena is very dangerous animal. He eats flesh of other animals. Always going with tigers. Let's have question round. Are you ready, children? Which is the biggest animal on earth? Indian elephant, blue whale, African elephant or polar bear? Think about it. Yes, it is African elephant. Next question. Which is fastest animal on earth for small distance? Cheetah, rhino, zebra or wild dog? Can you say? Yes, it is cheetah. Which is the tallest animal on earth? African elephant, giraffe, anaconda or none of the above? Can you say? Yes, it is obviously giraffe. Which is the fastest animal on the earth for long distance? Cheetah, antelope, wild ass or sloth? Answer is pronghorn antelope. Which animal has highest blood temperature? Domestic goat, camel, wild ass or cheetah? Tell me the answer. Yes, it is domestic goat. Which is the smallest mammal on earth? Pocket monkey, tiny kangaroo, pygmy shrew or rat? Answer please. Yes, it is pygmy shrew. Which is the smallest monkey on earth? Pocket monkey, zorilla, rabbit or pygmy marmoset? What is the answer? Yes, it is pygmy marmoset. Which animal have four knees? Elephant, gorilla, moose or bat? Which animal? Answer is, it is an elephant. Which is favorite fruit do jackal? It's banana, pears, berry or none of the above? Answer is, it is berry. This animal has ability to cry like human. It's gorilla, bear, Hallock gibbon or wolf. This is a bear. Bear can cry like a human. Which animal known as river horse? It's kiang, seahorse, hippopotamus or dolphin? This is a hippopotamus. Jackal's tail known as what? Joy, brush, nut or antenna? Say, this is called brush. Which animal has highest sugar level in his milk? Elephant, cow, bear or lion? Yay, it's an elephant. Which animal can smile like human? Do you know, children? It's hyena, wolf, bear or chimpanzee and gorilla? Yeah, this is chimpanzee and gorilla. Bamboo is favorite food of giant panda, sloth bear, elephant or common marmoset. Answer is what? A giant panda. In carnivorous, this animal has strongest jaws. Puma, tiger, lion or hyena? It is hyena. Which animal using ultrasonic waves to find his path? Rat, camel, horse or bats? Yeah, its answer is bats. Which deer is used to make perfume? Mouse deer, hog deer, swamp deer or musk deer? Do you know which deer? Yes, it is musk deer. Which animal located in the symbol of WWF? Bengal tiger, giant panda, elephant or Asiatic lion? Yes, it is giant panda. Which animal has lowest blood temperature? Spiny-tailed iguana, camel, wild ass or cheetah? What is the answer? Yes, it is a spiny-tailed iguana. Which is the national animal of India? You know all. Elephant, rhino, lion or tiger? Yes, it is a tiger. This is our national animal. Now we will see alphabetical rhymes on animals. A. A for alligator. See? A for alligator. Next is B. B for baboon. B for baboon. C. C for camel. C for camel. What next? D. D for donkey. D for donkey. E. Next is E. E for elk. Elk is like a deer. Elk. F. F for fox. F for fox. F. G. G for goat. G for goat. Next letter is H. H for hummingbird. The smallest bird is hummingbird. H. I. I for inchworm. Inchworm. I. Next is J. J for jellyfish. Where does a jellyfish live? In water. Next K. K for koala. K for koala. It's K. L. L for lion. L for lion. King of the jungle. Next is M. M for monkey. M for monkey. M. N. N for newt. It is like lizard. Newt. Reptiles. N. O. O for octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. It lives in ocean. O. P. P for porcupine. Porcupine. P. Q. Q for quail. Quail can sing very well. Q. R. R for rhinoceros. See, rhinoceros has horn. S. S for seahorse. This is also lives in sea, underwater. S. And T. T for turtle. Turtle also lives in underwater. T. U. U for unicorn beetle. Unicorn beetle. U. V. V for vulture. V for vulture. V. W. W for wolf. W for wolf. W. X. X for xenops. It's a bird. X for xenops. Y. Y for yuck. Y for what? Yuck. And last letter is, what comes after Y? It's Z. Z for zebu or Z for zebra. You enjoyed, children? Now give the right answer. I will ask questions. Which animal is this? Fox, elephant or a lion? This is a lion. Which animal is this? Lion, tiger or fox? Yes, it is tiger. Which animal is this? Lion, bear or elephant? Who has trunk? It's elephant. Which animal is this? Tiger, gorilla or a bear? Yes, it's a bear. Next is, which animal is this? Gorilla, bear or zebra? What do you think? It's a gorilla. Which animal is this? Is this deer, zebra or panther? It's black colored, so it is Black Panther. Which animal is this? Giraffe, fox or deer? Yes, it is a fox. Which animal is this? Giraffe, panther or deer? Of course it is deer. Which animal is this? Bear, giraffe or a fox? Who has long neck? Yes, it's giraffe. Which animal is this? Fox, tiger or zebra? Who has black and white stripes? It is zebra. Now guess the animals. Can you guess which animal is this? You can see his mouth. Which animal is this? Fast. Yes, it is a lion, the king of the jungle. What is spelling? Lion. Now see the eyes. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Guess the animal. Which animal? Oh, it's tiger. National animal of India. Tiger. Now you can see the skin. Which animal is this? Can you guess which animal is this? Fast, fast. This is a cheetah. Which animal? This is a cheetah. Cheetah can run very fast. Now see, which animal is this? Can you identify this animal? Which animal is this? Yes, it's a hyena. Hyena can laugh like a human. Next is, see the eyes. Wow, it's looking dangerous. and color is black. So guess which animal is this? Yes, it's a panther. Black panther. It is very dangerous animal. Black panther. Now see the spotted skin. Which animal can be? Can you guess? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Fast. Yes, it is deer. What is spelling of deer? D-E-E-R, deer. Next is, you can see eyes and color is white. Which animal is this? This is a wolf. Which animal? Wolf. This is a family of jackal or fox. Now see the ear. Can you guess which is the animal? Whose ear is this? It is a fox. Which animal? Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Now see the ears. Can you guess which animal is this? Long neck this animal has. Yes, correct. This is giraffe. Which animal is this? Giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck. Now see. Eyes. One eye you can see. Which animal? What can be? Fast, fast. Yes, it is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus loves to live in water. Next is, wow, what you can see? Sharp teeth. Can you say? This lives in water. Guess fast. Wow, it's a crocodile. See the teeth. Sharp teeth. It's a crocodile. Let's play a game. Are you interested? Yeah, so this is a giraffe and we have 4 options of colors. We will see which is matching with the giraffe. So we will put one by one color on giraffe. Black and white spot. Is it okay with giraffe? No. Black and white stripe. It is color of giraffe. No, this is the color of giraffe. Now what is this? Deer. This is color of deer? No. This is purple color is deer? No. This color is deer? No. This is the color. Correct color. Light brown. This is a lion. Lion has black and white spot? No. Yellow and black spot? No. Green color lion? No. Obviously not. Nah, this is the right color. Skin color. So this is a hippo. Hippo, black and white? No. Yellow and black? No. Red and white? No, not possible. Yes, this is the color. Right color. Cheetah. This is the color for cheetah? No. Black and white for cheetah? Black and white stripe cheetah? No, not possible. Green and yellow? Not possible. Yes. This is my color saying cheetah. This is the zebra. Green and black zebra? No. Brown color zebra? No. Black and white stripe? Yes. She is dancing. Elephant? This is the color of elephant. Yellow, blue with star, white star. Yes, this is the color. Match the animals with their shadows. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a monkey. Which animal is this with humps? Yes, camel, a desert animal. Which animal shadow is this? Penguin. Which animal? Penguin. Now look at this shadow. Which animal? It's a king of the jungle, lion. Which animal? Yes, this is a kangaroo. Long neck. Which animal? Yes, it is giraffe. Now it's with a long trunk. Which animal? Yes, it is elephant. Now, which animal has horn on his nose? It is rhinoceros. Now see, guess which animal? Yes, this is bear. Let's watch a story. Will you? The Crow and the Fox. Once there was a fox. He was very clever. One day he was wandering in search of food. He searched everywhere but cannot find anything. He was very hungry. He was looking for food. Then he saw a crow sitting on the branch of a tree. She was holding a piece of bread in her beak. He thought, I have to do something to get the bread from her beak. He made a plan. What plan he made? Let's see. He went closer to the tree where the crow was sitting. Hello, my dear crow, how are you? He asked the crow. The crow did not tell anything because she was holding the bread. The fox said again, why are you sitting alone? Come with me, we will play. But the crow did not open her beak. The fox said, today morning I heard a noise. I peeked from my cave, then I saw birds are making noise. I asked to stop making noise. Then they said ki they are not making noise but they are singing. I told them that you are making noise. Only the best singer is the crow. He is a beautiful crow. He only can sing very well. The fox was buttering the crow. He was telling lie for the bread piece. But the crow, on hearing this, was very happy. She smiled and thought that fox was telling true. I think this fox is good. He really likes me. The crow was silly. On seeing the pleasant face of Crow, Fox understood his plan is working. He continued, I never see such a beautiful bird that your voice is very nice, and whenever I hear your voice, I forgot myself. My dear Crow, please sing a song for me in your sweet voice. The Crow, proud of herself, hearing this from the fox, and the crow was very happy. Then what crow did? Let's see what she did. Then crow opened her beak and started crowing. Suddenly the bread in her beak fell down. The clever fox jumped and caught the bread and ran away. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is don't trust flatters. awesome animal quiz. Let's start. Which animal is featured in the logo of WWF? It is panda, for a living planet. Who is the king of the jungle? You all know. Yes, lion is the king of the jungle. Who is known as the sheep of the desert? Camel. Camel is the sheep of the desert. Which is the largest land animal in the world? African elephant. Which is the largest creature in the world? Blue whale. He is the largest creature in the world. Which is the tallest animal in the world? Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Which is the fastest animal on land? It's cheetah. Cheetah can run very fast. Which is the slowest animal in the world? It is sloth. He walks very slow. Which animal lives the longest? It's Arctic whale. Which animal has pink blood? Pink color blood. It is hippopotamus. Which animal is called the man of the forest? It is orangutan. He acts like man. Which animal cannot stick its tongue out? It's a crocodile. Which male animal gives birth to the child? It is seahorse. Which fish can fly in air, walk on land and swim in water? It is gurney fish. Which creature can change its gender? It is oyster. We get pearl from oyster. Which animal is known as the best rain detector? It's elephant. Which animal uses electricity to sense the prey? It is a shark. Which animal never sleeps? Do you know? It's bullfrog. It never sleeps. Which animal has teeth in its stomach? It's a lobster. Which animal has heart inside its head? It's shrimp, kind of lobster. Which is the longest poisonous snake in the world? It is king cobra. Which animal cannot smell? It is dolphin. Dolphin cannot smell. Which animal does not make any sound? It is giraffe. Giraffe cannot make any sound. Thank you, children. Hope you have enjoyed.